Hi, I'm Amy Marie Hayden from amymarieHayden.com. I'm a fashion, beauty and lifestyle blogger, and today I'm getting microneedling treatment done here in Dundrum. So I'm after getting a first cleanse done, and then Caroline applied the cream to my face, so she's just going to take that off now and cleanse, and then we're going to proceed with the microneedling treatment. My face is still very numb, so but when I first started I noticed I could feel it along my forehead more so than my cheek area. My cheeks I could barely even feel the microneedling being done, and it was more sensitive around the nose area as well. At the moment my face feels like it's actually burnt, like it's stinging. I don't know if that's normal, but that's what I actually feel at the moment. But other than that, everything's going good. Okay, so we've just finished the treatment now. Overall, I found the treatment very good, but was quite sore in some places. But my skin Caroline did a great job. So face is obviously red, and I did get quite a shock at the start, but overall I'm looking forward to seeing the results that the microneedling gives, and my next appointment is in 6 weeks' time.